You'd be surprised at how many skylights that I run across that are manufactured by a great company, Velux, and they're installed incorrectly. So as you can see, you have this one installed incorrectly, and I'm about to show you as I'm taking this apart. That this leak because the flashing, the rubber gasket, was behind this flashing. And it's amazing that just like in the Army, they had place in front of place towards enemy. This thing has place flashing gasket flashing behind this gasket. Had the installer placed that flashing behind this gasket, this wood would not be bad. When you're looking for the cheapest price, in the long run, this is what it's going to cost you. I'm Jeff with Triple Peaks Roofing and Construction, 440-925-0386.